Hi, folks. Travel with John here. Welcome to the beautiful Symphony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's Oasis class ship. We're here in our Central Park balcony stateroom. We're going to give you a quick little tour today. This is our last full day, a sea day, returning from Cozumel on our way back to Miami on this 4-night voyage. Had an absolutely great time. We just want to show you around real quick. So if you take a look, the first thing you'll notice in here is that we have what's known as the Royal King Size bed. This bed will split into two twins if you like. You'll notice you have ample storage on both sides. You've got a huge closet on the right, another one on the left, two drawers on the left as well for some additional space. This closet also has several cubbies for shelf space. One thing I do want to point out here, a lot of people get confused. There's a normal plug on that side of the bed for charging your phone, and people say that there is no way to charge your phone on this side. There actually is on the phone. There's a USB power outlet. You can just plug your USB in and charge. Warning, it's a little slower than most, but it does the job. So let's take a look at our bathroom now. What you have here is your typical balcony bathroom. It's a little tight on space as normal, but has everything you need. Full shower with a multiple outlet shower head. You've got a toilet, you've got your sink. What you'll get in here is towels for everyone in the room. You'll also get a bar of soap for the sink, and you'll get a combination hair and body wash for the shower. So if you like those higher end soaps, you're probably going to want to bring your own, but it does the job. I've been using them. My wife, not so much of a fan. She brought her own. One of the other things I want to show you guys here, that we have lots of space in this balcony. We obviously have our TV here there's live television programming. There's also shipboard stuff. We watched ourselves dance in the promenade last night on a recorded I Love the 80s kind of show. It was awesome. You've got your workspace here, a desk with several different outlets. You've got a couple of US outlets. You've also got a couple USBs, and you have a European style outlet. You've also got here your pull-out couch. This can accommodate a third and fourth guest. So for your families or folks traveling in a group, you have plenty of space in here. And as you can see, I have lots of space to move around. At the workspace, we also have our vanity here, light up vanity. You've got in here, you've got your hair dryer. You've also got plenty of space. There's 4 other drawers here. You've got a cooler in here, not a refrigerator, a cooler. Keeps things cool, not cold. But the highlight to me of this cabin has always been the balcony overlooking Central Park. So if we go outside here, you'll notice it's a nice size balcony. We've got 2 chairs and a table, plenty of room to eat out here if you like, have your morning coffee. But the best part is you're inside but outside. So you've got this wonderful sun, Caribbean sun coming down on us today on this beautiful 82-degree day. But you've also got a view of the entirety of Central Park. This is one of 3 neighborhoods here on the ship. We've got the balcony in the aft, Central Park in the center. We've got the promenade forward. Here we have bars, restaurants. There's music that plays right under us, as a matter of fact, is where the band typically plays every night. Last night it was jazz. It was kind of cool to sit out here with a glass of wine and listen to the singer scat. And above us, we've got the pool deck. So you'll see up there, it can get a little bit noisy here during the day, but as you probably heard when we were inside, it's very quiet with the balcony door closed. It's absolutely a wonderful way to spend a vacation. For more information, reach out to me, Travel with John, on Facebook and on Twitter. So please reach out with any questions and any comments. Smack that like button and follow us for more info.